Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email the Binance support. Now let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. One thing to remember, there is no any built-in feature to email the Binance support, and there is no email support account of the Binance app as well. So, if you have any questions and queries to ask to the Binance app, you can simply go to your app and tap onto the star button right here. Then, here you can find the headphones options right here. Now simply select it. After that, you can simply search or ask a questions on the search bar right here, or you can simply scroll down and here you can find the get support option. Now tap on it and you can ask questions to the Binance assistant right here. And that's it. This is how you can email the Binance support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.